Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's start with some cards and see what we get today. Take in what resonates and leave out the rest. Light. The darkness. Darkness cannot dispel darkness. Only light can. Love, clarity, awareness. I let go of all expectations. I flow freely and lovingly with life. I love myself. I know that only good awaits me at every turn. Yes, yes, yes. And what else do we need to see and hear? Appreciate the simple things in life. What are the simple things you enjoy? Little things in life that make your day easier often go unnoticed. Write a list of the small things in daily life that make it more abundant, like clean water, electricity, food. Imagine life without these things and feel your appreciation for them more. Courageous, may each breaking wave build your courage. Change. I find comfort in change. When my path shifts, I trust that each redirection guides me to exactly where I need to be. Compassion. Embrace others' differences, accept your own imperfections. Discovery. Discover the treasures within. Follow your passions. Alrighty. Let's try this box. Did you know butter doesn't clog your arteries? Eggs don't raise your cholesterol. Fat doesn't make you fat. Food dyes are harmful. Seed oils are not healthy. Red meat doesn't cause heart disease. Real salt is actually good for you. And sunshine improves your health and mood. If something triggers you, it owns you. The question is, do you want to stay controlled by it or free yourself from it? Do a few searches to learn more. On YouTube, The Crappy Childhood Fairy, Patrick Tejon, Marissa Peer, the holistic psychologist, and Mel Robbins. A few ideas. May your life be filled with risks that work out, adventures that change you, dreams that come true, people who love you right, and friendships that are true and last the lifetime. Surrender. I can release my need to control. When you lose your appetite when you're sick, that's your body's way of having you fast. Eating, digesting takes energy that's needed for healing, detoxing, and repairing. Health. I will honor the physical vessel that enshrines my soul. Balance. I bring a state of perfect harmony into my world. I do so without judgment. And the last one. Normalize not forcing connections with people who don't see the value of having you in their life. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.